Ano ba sasabihin natin? You know, he's very loyal. I know this firsthand. She's loyal because nung time na dapat siya yung tatakbong presidente, di ba? Nagtayo kami ng hugpong para kay Sara.
Oh yeah, I remember. Kasama kayo nun.
So,
Oo.
nagtayo kami ng hugpong para kay Sara. And then she decided not to run for president. Tapos nagsama siya kay President Bongbong. A lot of us were not for President Bongbong Marcos then. So, we're not for President Bongbong Marcos. So, sabi niya yung unang baba niya, dapat sa San Narciso, Quezon. Sabi ng mga hugpong, pwede bang ikaw lang, hindi kasama si BBM? Kasi hindi naman ikaw lang ang sinusuportahan. Sabi ng mga kasama. Sabi niya, no. If you will support me, make sure you support the president. If you won't support the president with me, then don't support me. That was her life.
Wow.
That was her life. Kaya I feel the pain she's feeling. Because we saw firsthand, that was her condition. If hindi nyo dadalin si Bongbong, wag nyo na akong dalhin.
Pero grabe yung context ng statement na yun, given what has happened now, ha?
But that's what she said. No,
Kaya nga,
yeah,
parang it gives more weight to what she said back then.
Precisely. Kasi witness kami.
Grabe.
Kaya hindi, yan.
Ito mo, itong segment na ito palagi pinaka-exciting.
I'm just telling you what I experienced and what
Yeah. So, huwag kayo mag-judge. Huwag kayo mag-bash. Okay? So,
I just base it on that. Kasi syempre, that says the character of a person.
And at the end of the day,
Kailangan mo kasing maintindihan why is she so hurt.
and you can see it, no? When she appears on camera and talks, talaga may pinaguhugutan na may pinanggagalingan, eh. And I think that's very human. And probably why a lot of people kind of feel for her.
Yeah, kasi totoo. Genuine.
Okay, yun yung word. Genuine.
Genuine.
Totoo.
Ayan, genuine.
But thank you very much.
Thank
and
you,
we
thank
hope that you
I hope
continue.
you enjoyed.
Yes, a lot. And I'm sure a lot of people who are watching also enjoyed. But I hope, siguro to end lang, I hope that, I know you were mentioning earlier na hindi pa kapasure ko ano gusto mong gawin in terms of your plans, but whatever